Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. You guys, here's our grocery haul for the week. My budget was $50. This right here, not including the jam, that was for Jam It Up June. I hope you did check out that video. If you did not check out the video, I will post a card somewhere over here for Jam It Up June. That was a good video and I even canned y'all. Okay, right. So my budget was $50 and this right here plus one water cost me $100.77. All I have to say is things are getting more and more expensive and I'm either going to have to increase my budget or stop eating. That's all. Okay. Let me, but the good news is, I just thought I would turn the camera around and share the good news. The good news is I've set $100 for my summer budget. So I'm still finishing out my yearly budget, right? My last month of groceries. But for July and August months, I've set $100 for groceries. So that's going to be it. Okay, perfect. Now, let me turn the camera around and I'll share with you guys what I picked up at the grocery store. All right, so we shopped Walmart today because Harris Teeter and Food Line did not have anything that I thought was extraordinary on sale. So I picked up bananas. Jackson said bananas before your workout help you to do a better workout. Baby spinach, I picked this up. We do have some garden salad still in the fridge. I picked up 2 milks, 1 unsweetened almond, 1 original. Alana likes original. I tend to have the unsweetened. Why does it vanilla? But they end up drinking it anyway. I picked up 2 salad toppers for my salads. One has cranberries and almonds, and I think one has pecans or pecans. We say pecans. Picked up some Virginia sausages. There's 2.5 pounds. Pepperoni, Parmesan cheese, a little blue cheese for salads. Turkey. I'm gonna make some sandwich wraps, and then some sliced cheese. Yes, I did buy cheese. Nectarines, I picked up 4 of those. I picked up these Fiesta Fit low carb wraps. These are the whole wheat kind. They say they're keto friendly. 0 fat, cholesterol, no sugar added, reduced sodium. 3 net grams of carbs, the cheapest carbs they had. Picked up some butter we didn't have. I'm going to dye my hair again, so I did a bleach kit. We are all out of whole wheat pasta, so I picked up this penne, and I picked up some elbows, but these were $1.43, and the regular that was not whole wheat were 98 cents. So I thought I could get 3 boxes for the price that I could get 2 of the whole wheat, and sometimes you have to think about that. I picked up these are the 100-calorie Thomas's English muffins, and then I picked up cherries. So this right here, these 2 things were right at about $15. 2 things of cherries. Why must I have them? I don't have to have them, but I bought them. Okay. And a thing of water. And that was $100. So there that is. I'm going to talk or chat a little bit about meals as I prepare some lunch. All right, y'all. So I'm making some sandwich wraps. I'm opening up some romaine lettuce. We've had romaine in the fridge since we got it at Sam's. And I'm going to just, I think it's getting nice, and I'm going to just make some lettuce wraps. I'm going to wash it. Okay. And then whatever I have left, I'm going to just put in a salad, but I'm going to wash this. Let me get the Jucolingo. Okay. Gonna do some turkey and cheese lettuce wraps. And then I think I'm gonna also have some fruit and salad. So that's what I'm going to have. So just for lunches, I think we're going to end up having Salads will be mainly lunches or the little lettuce wraps, which I had the turkey and cheese. That's what we'll do. Tonight for dinner, we're having chicken wings. I'm going to wash this spinach. I'm just going to put it on my plate first, and then I'm going to take it over and wash it. I noticed at Walmart, though, today, which I shopped at Walmart, and I honestly thought about heading over to Aldi, is that the produce just looked really, really bad. It did not look good, and I don't traditionally like to get my produce at Walmart, but it has looked better than it had in the past. But today, it was like I was really searching. Trying to find some good produce. I'm just picking out this lettuce. I'm going to wash it in a second. Okay. I like a spinach Caesar salad if I could have it. You know, most people like lettuce greens for their Caesar. I like spinach with my Caesar. I don't have Caesar dressing, but I'm gonna make it do it. Tonight we have wings. So I got wings from, where did I get wings? Piggly Wiggly a couple weeks ago. And we still have some wings. So we have one more package of wings. Pretty big package as well. So that'll be at least a dinner. That'll be at least a dinner and a lunch. Sister will take lunch to work, maybe. She normally does. I'm using that. You think you're gonna be able to run tonight? I don't want you to get any more hurt than what you are at present. Jackson, let sister put up the groceries. Come and cut open this cantaloupe because that has to go. So then, of course, using the things up, we've got a cantaloupe that has to be used that we did not use last week. That will need to be used.
What are these?
Nectarines, because that's what they had. And I didn't want to get peaches, but I did want to make some peach blueberry jam. But I thought about it. You don't, huh?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
What? Peach blueberry jam?
That's cool. Are you gonna jalapeno now?
Okay, bring that out. Bring that out. What's in there that can come out? We're putting stuff on top of
Well,
stuff.
there's dates down there.
Okay, the dates are fine. What about the strawberries back there? The nectarines can go in the bowl with the apples. Sorry. Here. Take this, turn it upside. Put the nectarines in there. Then they don't have to go down there. I want some cherries for my lunch. The strawberries probably need to go. All right, y'all. I apologize. So many things have happened since I was filming that video way earlier, like hours and hours ago. I had a very late lunch. Very, very, very late. It was like 4 o'clock before I ate anything. It is a little after 8 now. I haven't eaten anything else. Jackson is making chicken wings. I've been going to the gym. So I went to the gym earlier today. At current, I'm holding steady at 13 pounds lost. Still planning to lose a little more. So that just works out for me. I'm still not getting in enough protein. So I'm probably going to have to incorporate some protein shakes or some smoothies. I am a traditional, not like to drink my calories person. However, in order that I'm able to get the protein in, I'm going to have to drink them right now because I just can't seem to get meals in protein as far as meat or protein sources the way that I need to. As far as the next couple of days, it's really just up in the air about meals. We are still trying to use what we do have in the freezers. Jackson's actually making some kind of Alfredo something or other. He said he was making for dinner using some spinach. Hey, Jack, there's also some mushrooms that need to be used. Jackson. Bubba. There's some mushrooms that need to be used as well. We had some mushrooms from last week, so he's probably just going to use that just to use it up. We have some fresh tomatoes that came out of the garden. Some of those ones that are already ripe, we'll need to go ahead and dehydrate those so that we can not have those laying around the house. or in the fridge. What else is in there? There's some shrimp in there that we can use. We have mozzarella cheese, pepperoni for little pizzas on the tortilla. So tortilla pizzas we can do. I've thought about doing some beans and rice as far as trying to incorporate some proteins, but we'll see. Not real sure about that. I do have a couple meals planned out in the next few days. So I'm not going to count what those meals are going to be because I don't know as much protein as I can possibly get, yes. But I can't say for sure what they will be. But anyway, right, we have things in the fridge, in the freezers, in the pantry that we're going to be cooking. And of course, with Jackson being a culinary arts student, he does the majority of the cooking now. I don't have to do much of that anymore. I can cook if I want to, but I don't have to because Jackson enjoys cooking. He actually made a banana bread this morning, or banana cake, if it helps people feel better. The one we saw on She's in Her Aprons channel years and years ago. She made it like as a summer snack for her kids. And we've been just making that same recipe, cake mix, bananas, and eggs. Living our best life, right? So, yeah, that's what we did to get rid of some bananas we had. Other than that, I think that's pretty much going to be it for grocery haul meal plan. I don't really have a lot of plans. It is summer, but I still feel like I'm working full time. I was talking to my friend Olivia today, and we were talking about the fact that really social media has really just become a job. It is, and it always has been for me a job. I've never worked social media part-time. I've always worked it full-time. Even before I was getting, compensated for doing it, I was always working full-time, doing what I do. And it just keeps me very busy. There's so many things I need to do, have not been able to do. So with that being said, we're going to just keep plugging along, keep plugging away at it. I'll try to film some meals of the week if I'm able. It will not be this week though, because I have a couple things that I have to get done this week that I just don't have time to fit in. But I will try to do my best to get everything in that I'm able. So anywho, there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what your budget is for your groceries down in the comments. And don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the little bell, to share, and all the things. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.